It's 6 a.m. on a Wednesday. You're mixing a $6 scoop of organic matcha powder into an aesthetic insulated tumbler before heading to a boutique cycling class that costs $30 a session. Surrounded by neon lights and curated playlists, you feel that this purchase is a responsible investment in your physical well-being. You work hard, so you deserve to take care of your body. But this chart shows what's happening beneath the surface. While the white line representing your physical health remains stable, the red line below it, your actual net worth, is plummeting. Your bank account is quietly suffering from a chronic illness. The fitness and self-care industry has convinced an entire generation that being in shape requires a premium monthly subscription. That standard $200 monthly routine is acting as a financial tripwire, extracting hundreds of thousands of dollars from your future retirement. Financing a wellness aesthetic requires a massive trade, the systematic sacrifice of your long-term wealth for a premium feeling today. To see the math on this, we can look at this diagram tracking two 30-year-olds, Derek and Marcus. Both earn the exact same median salary, shown hovering right above them, but they follow vastly different fitness philosophies. Derek is fully bought in. He pays $150 a month for a boutique gym, $50 on recovery supplements, and pays for specialized apps. His total spend hits $200 a month. Marcus opts for a bare-bones community gym with iron weights, costing him $20 a month. He takes the remaining $180 and automatically routes it into a standard S&P 500 index fund on the first of every month. Over a 35-year working career, that invested difference compounds. At a historical 10% return, Marcus's portfolio grows to over $680,000. And if Derek's routine creeps up to $250 or $300 with extra smoothies or specialized gear, that invisible opportunity cost easily crosses the $800,000 mark. Paying for that aesthetic environment effectively trades away nearly $1 million of your future freedom for the privilege of sweating in a nicer room. Rational, hardworking adults fall into this trap every day. To understand why, we have to stop looking at individual choices and examine the multi-billion-dollar business model of the corporate fitness industry itself. They rely on friction design, a system built to make purchasing effortless and canceling nearly impossible. The industry weaponizes our biological desire for self-improvement to keep those monthly payments flowing. Buying a $100 pair of running shoes or subscribing to a meditation app feels like taking action on your health. In reality, this is consumerism rebranded as self-care, delivering a dopamine hit disguised as personal growth. Gyms literalize this in their revenue projections, assuming you won't show up. January memberships subsidize April memberships because they calculate with actuarial precision that most people will stop swiping their tags by late February. This pie chart visualizes the result. 67% of all gym memberships go completely unused. Yet members refuse to terminate them because canceling feels like admitting personal defeat. That recurring fee functions as a corporate guilt tax, a monthly subscription to the idea of your future fit self, while your bank account stays empty. Escaping this trap requires you to get ruthless. You have to actively separate the curated visual aesthetic of wellness from the actual physical work of fitness. Set a calendar reminder, confront that friction design, and go through the annoying process of canceling the boutique subscription you are only using twice a month anyway. Real physical health is unglamorous. It's doing push-ups in your living room, using the cheapest facility with heavy iron, or simply lacing up your shoes and running outside. Ignore what the walls look like. Then, take the newly freed $150 or $200 and treat it as a non-negotiable bill. Automatically transfer it into your investment account before you ever have the chance to spend it. True health and true wealth actually have one major thing in common. Neither domain requires a monthly subscription, neon lights, or flashy, expensive tools to build a solid foundation. Both are built by putting in the quiet reps when nobody is watching, month after month, decade after decade. You have to decide right now. Do you want to pay a premium to look fit and successful today? Or do you want to actually be wealthy and completely